Hello students, today I'm going to show you how to create your own blog. You're going to find it through your Google Classroom. You'll find the Intro to Tech and you will click on here's the stream, or you can click on the classwork, and once you click onto it, it will take you to Edublogs. That's the site that we're going to use to log in. So you have to actually sign up. You're going to have to make your own username and password, and then create your own site URL. Agree. If you want to get the EdTech news and tips, you can click on there. And then you're going to create a site. I'm going to go ahead and log in because I'm already there. If you want to find mine, I'm Casey401 under Edublogs. So once you do that, you're going to have have a site title, and this is going to be your URL. So this is what's going to show up here at the top, like it says Edublogs up here. It's going to show up down here. So make sure you do that. One thing that can be a little tricky is finding a site URL that is not already taken. I did this one, practice this 01, so you know what it looks like before you create things, because my blog already has one. See, it says, sorry, the site already exists. That means you're going to have to come up with another one. So you're going to have to keep trying until you find one that's not already taken. So I made a blog site called Practice This Again 01, and so that way I can set things up. So I'm going to want to maybe look at the appearance. Here are the themes that you can choose from. You want it to be readable. So this is what it will look like if you choose them. I'm going to just go with this one. It's called the Aaron blah blah. You can always see what it looks like before you choose it. Here is the live one, and you can edit all these things. All of these things mean that you can change it to what you want it to say. So over here, I would see how I clicked on that, and then I'm changing it over here in the site title. Maybe I'll put best teacher ever, and that will be, and it will change it for you over here. And then you would say, however you want to edit it. It's just another Edublog. So then you would activate and publish it. And you can see what it looks like. So to make a post, you click on post and you're going to hit add new. And it will show you this is what it looks like. Okay. That means there's a new paragraph. That's what that little symbol means. If you click on the plus sign, you can make the new paragraphs and put pictures, bookmarks, quotation marks, all of those different things that you can add in by clicking the plus icon. And then this is the editor. All right, so when you have time, you want to look at the editor. Let's get started. So you can click on how you want it to look. Do you want to show the header? The header means the top part. Hide the highlights. So then you can just start titling. Title goes here. And then the body of your story goes here. So when you are ready, and you can hit return or enter to make a new paragraph, and you can, like it was showing you this You can do all of these things, add the images. If you have something saved on your desktop or something, you can go to gallery and add a picture from there. You can, if you're like, no, that's no good, you can move it to trash. Visibility is to public. This makes it so that way everybody in the classroom can watch. So you need it to be public for us. And then when you're ready, you hit publish. Once it hits publish, and it says like immediately, so you can do it for later, you have a copy link right here. I've copied this link. So I can now go and put this link back into, here's my assignment. Your assignment does not look like that. Let's put the assignment. Let's go here, classwork, and then I can add in the assignment. You'll go to the assignment and you'll find this link right here, and then you can add it there, and now you have your blog here. But if you, this is where you add links. So that's where you could add your Edulink there, because it's just, you just copied it straight from there. Now, when you're going to comment on a post, what you do is you go back to this page right here and you click on comments. And that is where you can start a comment and you can read other people's comments. They don't have to, you don't have to have a Edublog in order to make a comment, but you'll have to be logged into Google or something else. So once you comment, then you submit it. And then you can help each other out by looking at each other's blogs. So hopefully this tutorial was helpful for you in setting up your blog.